Hello, welcome to Ayurveda Plated. In this video, we are going to see how to make super soft barley rotis. To make the dough, I am going to add 2 teaspoons of barley flour to a pan with a half cup of water, and I am going to mix the barley flour and water well without any lumps. After mixing well, I am going to add some pink salt required for the dough, and I am going to bring this mixture to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to keep stirring it continuously to avoid any lumps. Once this starts boiling really well, now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of barley flour to this and mix it really well. Now, after switching off the flame, I am mixing the flour well. I see some dry flour, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hot water and mix it really well, but this is totally optional if you don't have any dry flour. I'm going to cover the dough and allow it to cool down. Once the dough is warm enough to handle, I'm going to start kneading the dough. The dough prepared using the barley flour gets quite dry and sticky as it cools down. So here I'm sprinkling some room temperature water and kneading the dough really well. I'm adding in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of room temperature water and kneading the dough really well. Now the dough is in the right consistency. I'm going to continue kneading the dough with wet hands. For those who wanted to lose weight and with diabetes, this barley can be taken in the form of rotis or soups. Please check my description below for barley soup recipe. As you can see here, the dough is very soft. To make the rotis, I have taken a small portion of the dough and I am kneading the dough really well again. Now I am going to coat the dough with some dry barley flour. I am going to flatten it out so the flour gets coated really well on both sides. Now I'm going to roll the dough into slightly thick rotis. I'm going to coat with some more dry barley flour to avoid the dough from sticking. With 1/3 cup of barley flour, I was able to make about 5 medium-sized rotis. To cook the rotis, place it in a hot pan and cook the rotis on medium flame. Gently press and cook the rotis well on both the sides. Flip a couple of times till the roti has become evenly golden and roasted evenly. Now the roti is cooked well on both sides. Since the dough is very soft, every roti puffs up, resulting in a very soft roti. These barley rotis are super soft and they stay soft for a longer period of time. Savor these super soft barley rotis with some ghee and a vegetable or gravy of choice. Hope you guys like this video. If you do find these recipes useful and wanted to know more recipes Ayurvedic way, please do subscribe to my channel.